Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's session is based on writing skill. How to create a letter by using tenses. We will be going to create a letter based on tenses. Now, be with me and listen carefully. A key points to remember: how to create a letter by using tenses. Creating a letter based on five tenses. We will take five tenses. In present tense, we will take four. In past tense, we will take a simple past. Everyone should know the structure of each and every tense. They should be on your fingertips. So then only it is possible to create a formal sentences structurally without making grammatical mistakes. Now, the parts of your letter: heading, salutation, body of letter, leave taking, signature. Next, letter writing based on five tenses. Simple present: subject plus V1 plus OBJ, subject plus is, am, are plus OBJ. So this is, am, are B forms here act as a main verb like a V1. So that is about second structure. So it has two structures. Now please look at these two and don't confuse. Present continuous tense: subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing form plus OBJ. OBJ means object, right? Present perfect tense: subject plus have by has plus V3 plus OBJ. Present perfect continuous tense: subject plus have been by has been plus V1 plus ing form plus OBJ. Simple past tense: subject plus V2 plus OBJ. Subject plus was by were plus OBJ. This is second structure of a simple past tense. Was were also treated for the as a V2 form. They also act as a main verb in simple past like a V2. Was can be used for I, he, she, it. Were can be used for all plural forms. Now it is clear for everyone. Now letter writing based on five tenses. Look at carefully and you will come to know the importance of tenses and their usage sentence wise, structurally. So framing of sentences, how we can frame based on tenses. So your writing skills will be improved if you learn tenses thoroughly. Now, station and date, and to the principal, Balaji Techno School, Narsampet, respected sir or madam. Subject: to grant me leave for 4 days. Request: regarding. Short form of REQ means request, REG means regarding. My name is D. Rajesh. I am studying 10th class in A section. I am unable to attend the class. I have been suffering from fever for 2 days. I have consulted the doctor. The doctor advised me to take rest. So, I request you to grant me leave for 4 days. That is, IE means short form of that is from so and so date. Thanking you, yours obediently, D. Rajesh. And you can write down your roll number also. So this is the format of a leave letter. Everyone should know the format of leave letter and how to frame uh, this leave letter structurally based on tenses and without making mistakes. See, now let us analyze each and every sentence structurally and identify the particular sentence belongs to which tense. Now, first sentence is my name is Rajesh. Simple present. Subject plus V1 plus OBJ. Subject plus is am are plus OBJ. So the sentence belongs to second structure. So is used as a main verb V1 and a primary auxiliary. So you have to be careful and remember this second structure. I am studying 10th class in A section. Present continuous tense. Subject plus is am or plus V1 plus ing form plus OBJ. I am unable to attend the class. Simple present. Subject plus V1 plus OBJ. Subject plus is am or plus OBJ. So the sentence belongs to second structure. As a primary auxiliary, it is used as a main verb in a sentence. Do remember all the time, don't confuse. Next, I have been suffering from fever for 2 days. Present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have been by has been plus V1 plus ing form plus OBJ. I have consulted the doctor. Present perfect tense. Subject plus have by has plus V3 plus OBJ. The doctor advised me to take rest. Simple past tense. Subject plus V2 plus OBJ. Now it is very clear. I have given a clue. Everyone should aware of all these touches. It is possible neither you speak nor you write or improve your writing skills based on tenses, and we have proved through this letter writing, and nobody knows that based on tenses we can create a letter writing. So please, now you came to know how to create a letter structurally by using tenses. Thank you all, and please do subscribe my channel and you will get all my updates as well as, and I will bring creative uh, concepts to make you to understand in an easy method. So if you have any doubt or any queries, please send email so to this rayapaeng@gmail.com. Thank you all.